Hi students, this is your Jansi ma'am. In this video we are going to discuss why D block element general electronic configuration is n-1, D1 to 10, ns1 to 2. Okay, this is actually general electronic configuration for D block elements. But how it got? Okay, now once you please observe the elements which are present in the fourth period. Okay, in fourth period these are the D block elements. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. And these are their atomic numbers and this is the electronic configurations of these respective elements. Now here electronic configuration I have written according to shell wise. First shell, this 2s and 2p it is second shell, this is the third shell and this is fourth shell. Means according to shell wise I have written the electronic configuration. Now here if you observe these all electronic configurations till 3p6 everything is common. 1s2, now you please observe in these cases 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 till here everything is same. Then where the difference? In these two cases 3d and 4s, in this the number of electrons how many are present? Here this is the difference. Other than that till here means till 3p6 everything is same. So here is the difference. Now if you observe 3d, so what are the orbitals you can observe here? 3d orbital as well as 4s orbital. These two you can observe, right? So see here 3d and 4s. 3d as well as 4s. In 3d how many electrons are present? In scandium 1 electron, titanium 2, vanadium 3, chromium 5, manganese 5, iron 6, cobalt 7, nickel 8, copper 10, zinc 10. So here the number of electrons it is varying from 1 to 10. It is varying from 1 to 10. Similarly in the 4s if you observe how many electrons are present? 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so here the electrons number is varying from 1 to 2. 1 to 2. So here this is the general electronic configuration for fourth period elements. Okay, this is the general electronic configuration for fourth period elements. Next, if you come for the fifth period elements, just one shell number will increase. So here instead of 3, 4 will come. Here instead of 4, 5 will come. So here for the fifth period, for the 1 to 10, 5s 1 to 2 will come. Similarly for the sixth period, again one more number will increase. 5d 1 to 10, 6s 1 to 2. Similarly for the seventh period if you observe, for the seventh period elements 6d 1 to 10, 7s 1 to 2. So same electronic configuration will come, but at the end instead of 3d1 4s2, 4d1 5s2 will come. So same here one number will increase if you when we are increasing one group period. Okay, in fourth period this is the electronic configuration. Okay, in fifth period one number will increase. In sixth period again 2 more numbers. For seventh period 3 more numbers will increase. So here now you please observe students 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. This is nothing but valence shell ns. Okay, it is valence shell. Valence shell representation is n. Okay, in that where the electrons are present in s orbital. Now you come to the before shell. So this is third shell in d orbital, fourth shell d orbital, fifth shell d orbital and sixth shell d orbital. So here shell number you please observe here. This is the valence shell. So we have represented with n. This is 7 and before is 6. So before the shell of valence shell is nothing but penultimate shell. See here also 6 and one number is before, right? So here it is 6, one number is before. So it is penultimate. 5, 4. This is penultimate. Here 4 is valence shell and here 3 is penultimate shell. So what is the representation for penultimate shell? It is n minus 1. Clear, students? So in penultimate shell, in which orbital electrons are present? In d orbital. How many electrons may present? It may be from 1 to 10. So here the number of electrons may present 1 to 10. Next, come to the valence shell. In valence shell, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. How many electrons are present? It may be 1 or 2 electrons. Okay, students? So now, this is general electronic configuration for d block elements. So here don't confuse, students. Here Ns is nothing but valence shell of s orbital. Means here n is nothing but valence shell. Of which orbital? S orbital. Here n minus 1 is nothing but penultimate shell. Means to the valence shell, what is the before shell? So that I have represented with n minus 1. So see here, 7 is the valence shell. Before number is 6. So this is the penultimate shell. Penultimate shell representation is n minus 1. You can observe in all these cases. These are valence shell. 4, 5, 6, 7. All these are valence shells. And before this, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. All these are penultimate shells. So penultimate shell representation is n minus 1. In penultimate shell, where there is a variation of the electrons, d. Okay, that's why we are considering only d. We are not considering 3s or 3p. Only we are considering 3d. Or 4d, 5d, 6d. Means in penultimate shell of d orbitals we are considering. We are not considering the s or p orbitals. Why? Because here there is no difference in the electrons. But here difference is there in the electrons of the penultimate shell of d orbital. That's why we are considering here penultimate shell of d orbital. Now you understood how d block elements got this general electronic configuration. It is n minus 1, d 1 to 10, ns 1 to 2. Clear, students? How d block elements got the general electronic configuration as n minus 1, d 1 to 10, ns 1 to 2. So I hope you like this explanation and you feel this video is useful. Thank you.